In the last video, we display character B on the dot matrix display. We used advanced programming codes to display character B. In this video we will also use an advanced programming technique to display characters A to Z on a dot matrix display. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. First, create a project in Keel. I already wrote the codes. I will paste these codes here. Now I will explain these codes. COL equal P0, define port 0 as column. Columns are connected with port 0. Row equal P2, define port 2 as row. Rows are connected with port 2. Start, that is a label. MOVDPTR, hashtag CHRA. Copy character A codes into DPTR. CHRA is a label. Here are all alphabetic characters codes in binary format. ORG 300H. Codes at 300H address. MOVR1, hashtag 26. Copy 26 into R1. Again, that is label. A call display. Call display function. Here is display function. Display, that is a label. MOVR6, hashtag 255. Copy 255 into R6. MDL1, that is a label. A call scan. Call scan function. Here is scan function. Scan, that is a label. Push DPL into stack. Copy lower 8 bits of DPTR into stack. First DPTR has character A code. It will push 1 into stack. CLRA, clear A. Clear the accumulator. If there is any data, it will clear it. MOV row hashtag 01H, copy 01H into row. MOV CA at A plus DPTR, calculate code and copy into A. MOV COL, A, copy A into column. Row and columns are connected with ports 0 and 2. A call delay 1, call delay function. Here is delay 1 function we are using in this program. INC DPL, increment DPL. After increment it will be 2. CLRA, clear A. MOV row hashtag 02H, copy 02H into row. MOV CA at A plus DPTR, calculate code and copy into A. MOV COLA, copy A into column. A call delay 1, call delay function. INC DPL, increment DPL. Now DPL has 3. CLRA, clear A. MOV row hashtag 04H, copy 04H into row. MOV CA at A plus DPTR, calculate code and copy into A. MOV COLA, copy A into column. A call delay 1, call delay function. INC DPL, increment DPL. Now DPL has 4. CLRA, clear A. MOV row hashtag 08H, copy 08H into row. MOV CA at A plus DPTR, calculate code and copy into A. MOV COLA, copy A into column. A call delay 1, call delay function. Next it will send these codes and increment the DPL. After that it will send these codes. And increment the DPL, after that it will send these codes. And one by one it will send all 8 bytes of data. Pop DPL from stack. Here we pushed 1 into stack. Here we pop back from stack, that is 1. RET, return from the function. DJNZ R6 MDL1, decrement R6 if not 0 jump to MDL1. Here is MDL1 label. A call scan. And again it will repeat this function. It will repeat this function 255 times. And character A display on dot matrix display. RET, return from the function. MOV A, DPL, copy DPL into A. For example DPL has 1. It will copy 1 into A. Add a hashtag 8, add 8 into A. It will add 8 into A. MOV DPL, A, copy A into DPL. Now DPL has 8. DJNZ R1 again. Decrement R1 if not 0 jump to again. R1 has 26. It will jump to again. A call display. Call display function. Now DPL has 8. First it sent character A codes. Now it will send character B codes. Decrement R1 if not 0 jump to again. A call display. Call display function. Now again it will repeat this function. Push DPL. Push DPL into stack. This time it will push 8 into stack. And repeat all these steps. Increment DPL. Now DPL has 9. And repeat all these codes. Increment DPL. Now DPL has 10. And repeat all these codes. And again increment DPL. Now DPL has 11. And repeat all these codes. At the end it will pop up the DPL. That is 8. And again repeat this function. And again repeat all these steps. It will repeat this function 255 times. MOVA DPL. Now DPL has 8. Add A hashtag 8. Add 8 into A. Now A has 16. MOV DPL A. Copy A into DPL. Decrement R1 and jump to again. And repeat all these codes. This time it will send character C codes. And repeat all these functions. And add 8 into DPL. This time it become 24. and again decrement R1. It will decrement R1 26 times. When it became 0 it will jump to start. And again it will copy character A codes into dptr. And again repeat all these functions. Now click on the build target. Hex file created. Now I will download this hex file into the microcontroller. Click on microcontroller. Select file. Click on start. Now you can see the dot matrix display showing alphabetic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.